VCE, Vowel Consonant E pattern. Long vowel sounds. The long vowel sounds are easy to remember because they say their own names, A, E, I, O, U. VCE pattern. The vowel consonant E is a common pattern in which a vowel is followed by a consonant, and the consonant is followed by a final E. In this pattern, the vowel sound is long and the E is silent. A as in cake, E as in Pete, I as in bike, O as in hole, U as in flute. Take the CVC word, cap, C-A-P, and you add a silent E and it becomes cape. Take hop, H-O-P, add the silent E, and hop becomes hope. Use your deck of cards, number C602A, and select the cards you want the children to learn.